Hey guys, you like my watermelon shirt? Hey plant friends, and welcome back to my channel, Planta by Gia, the Nutrition Kitchen. I am so sorry because I haven't been around for about 2 weeks, but I just got back from the most amazing trip me and my husband went on. We went to Mexico. We went to 2 different places in Mexico. For the first 4 days, we went to a town called Tulum, and then the last 4 days, we went to Cancun. I brought my camera around with me because I wanted to show you guys, put together a little vlog of our trip. But before we get into the video, I wanted to tell you a little bit about the food and all the plant-based choices that I was able to find. Tulum was my absolute favorite place. It was so beautiful, guys. So Tulum is like, there's Tulum town and then there's Tulum beach. Me and my husband found a beautiful, cute little private villa in Tulum town. Now Tulum town is very authentic, a lot of authentic Mexican places. And then Tulum Beach. Tulum Beach is more touristy. There's a lot more hotels, but it is so beautiful and it's a very health-forward town. So there's a lot of vegans, there's a lot of vegan options, a lot of vegan restaurants. There's gyms right on the beach. There's also yoga places literally at every single hotel and spa. Also so we rented a motorbike and we drove all around. We were able to see all the different places. We went to this thing called cenotes, Los Cenotes, which is like a cave underground with water. You can swim around, you can snorkel. There's bats that fly back and forth because they live under there. It is literally one of the most beautiful things I've ever seen. So yeah, so back into the food. It had amazing options for me, plant-based options. There was like I said, all different vegan restaurants, but over there I had a lot of acai bowls, a lot of fresh juices for breakfast, like guava juice. They had papaya juice, coconut yogurt parfaits. There was even this cute little market called the Gypsy Market, and it was the most freshest. They had so many different plant-based options. It was so clean, it was beautiful. And then for lunch over there were so many different vegan options. I was able to find like vegan enchiladas, all different vegan tacos. I don't know how they made it down there, but they had El Pastor tacos, and they also had vegan steak tacos, and those were so good. So yeah, so I had a lot of different options in Tulum. We even went to Pablo Escobar's mansion and had dinner there, and he had some vegan options on there as well. And so we stayed there for 4 days. That was the best time ever. And then we traveled over to a resort called Vedanta. And the resort was in Cancun. I'm talking so much, it's hot out here, right, Daisy? So at Vedanta was more of an all-inclusive resort. It was so beautiful. The whole resort was filled with these huge pools that just went all around. It was gorgeous. The only thing was, at the resort, since COVID was going on, there wasn't too many options. They had to close and they were only open down to like 30% of what they usually have. So we only had to choose from a couple places. In the morning, they had this beautiful buffet. The thing that I really liked about this resort actually is they're very sustainable. They grew their own fruits and vegetables, and they recycled their water. So I gotta give them that. That was amazing. At the pool, when we would hang out a lot, there wasn't too many plant-based vegan options there. I ate a lot of guacamole. It was the best guacamole I've ever had, and it was always an option. I liked Tulum a little bit better because we were able to like go into the town and see the actual culture and the real life of Mexico, as opposed to going to like a resort where it's kind of just, you're on the resort and you don't really go outside of it. You barely could even tell you were in Mexico. But I'm very grateful for the entire trip. We had so much fun. So I took my camera around as much as I could. I was having so much fun that I forgot it a lot. But I put together this little vlog for you so you can see all the food that we ate and a couple places that we went to. I hope that you love it. So without further ado.
Yeah, day before going to Tulum.
Looking like a red tomato.
Yeah, looking like a red tomato. Packing. Got the doggies. And doggies. This spot. We ready.
Let's go. Vamos. Leaving the verdad. This is all rad. We got some vegan tacos, some vegan al pastor, and some vegan beefy, vegan steak. Ooh. Hi! Say hi, baby.
Hi.
For lunch, I got a vegan enchiladas and a salsa verde. Delicious. Both are literally making me drool. But we have some vegan tacos in here. like a vegan textured soy protein. Beautiful beet salad. This is from El Vegetariano in Tulum, Mexico. Delicious. Marido amo. Hey friends, so we've moved places. Now we're not in Tulum anymore. Now we are in a resort in Cancun. To take you along with me today and show you all the plant-based foods that I'm going to be eating in Cancun. So let's go. Go, baby. Okay, so I got some refried beans, peppers and onions, some habanero sauce, some chopped cilantro, onions, chilaquiles verde, vegan, platanos, some hash browns. Look at this fresh jelly, passion fruit, and strawberry. Enjoyed that. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video if you liked it and subscribe to my channel for more plant-based weekly recipes. You can also find me on Instagram at Planta by Gia, where I'm always posting my daily cooking. And yeah, I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching, and I will see you for the next recipe.